Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrorad AeroFlow Hub to control your smart heater and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two main reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this hub not connecting to the internet or not syncing with your devices or with the app, or if it doesn't seem to be controlling the heater properly, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you're going to need to set it up again and pair everything again, because it will be just like it was when it came out of the box. That's kind of the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start and have this just like it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. All we need to do is with a paper clip or something like that, we're going to come in and press and hold this reset button here. And you're just going to keep holding it for about 10 seconds and you'll see the little indicator light will turn blue on the hub, and just keep holding it, and you'll just continue to hold it until the light starts to blink red. Once the light starts to blink red, it's restoring. You can go ahead and let go of the button. Then you can go ahead and delete it off the app, delete the app off your phone, and then reinstall everything as though brand new.